At 3D Diagnostics, we revolutionize digital dentistry with precision-driven solutions. From implant planning to guided surgery, with over 300,000 dental cases processed, 3DDX provides world-class dental digital solutions like implant planning, surgical guides, restorations, digital design services, 3D conversions, radiology reports, and more. Including our products starting from 3D printers, implant planning software, 3DDX kits, intraoral scanners, and facial scanners, we empower dental professionals to achieve predictable, high-quality outcomes. Elevating dental practice through 3 powerful ways to partner with us: fully automated, digital flexibility, or all-in office. Choose the workflow that fits you best. Introducing 3DDX, magnetic stackable guides and all-on-X solution for a seamless full-arch practice. Stackable guides for precise surgery, custom temporaries for immediate patient satisfaction. Final restorations crafted from monolithic zirconia or supported by titanium bars. Our next-generation stackable surgical guide system for all-on-X procedures. Utilizing magnetic alignment, magnetics ensure strong retention and precise orientation throughout surgery, enhancing surgical confidence. With magnetic stackable guides and GFMR, patients receive both implants and teeth in a single surgical visit. Our GFMP photogrammetry workflows ensure capturing precise implant positions with zero distortion for a passive fit of the final restorations. Join thousands of oral surgeons and dentists who are streamlining their all-on-X workflows in dental practice, saving time and reducing cost with 3D diagnostic solutions.